Hey NCB family, how is everyone doing? So I just want to quickly just read something for all of you guys. I hope it blesses you. If I was the director of my life, I would have stayed in this scene a little longer. But God works in mysterious ways. He has another role for me to play, and I have no choice but to obey. Like a puppet on a string, He tells me what to do. This move I'm about to make, I'm actually as surprised as you. God is faithful and merciful. He won't give us more than we can eat. But we have to be sensitive to His tunes and dance to His beat. It's interesting because we just finished a series on Abraham about how life is like a journey of faith. I'm following God's leading, and August 31st is my finish date. The journey continues. 2020 has been what a year, Whatever God is asking you to do, have faith and don't fear. Take the step. Believe He will lead you as you go. But if you never go, you'll never know. Life is a journey, quite an exciting journey, full of turns, twists, and bends. My time at Cromwell Road has come to an end. My life is not my own. I'm like a seed that has been sown. All my flesh, all my bones is living for Christ alone. To the youth, stay strong. To Diana, live long. To Lucy, keep singing those songs. To everyone, thank you for helping me belong. It's been great. To Fiona, I'll miss the games. I'm pretty sure we might cross paths again. If I had enough time, I would mention all your names. To Julian, thanks for the tea. To Miranda, say bye to my mate Bertie. To Simon, the leadership, and everyone, thanks for welcoming me into the NCB family. You're still my friends. I still see you all like family. My prayer for each of you is that you would all fulfill God's plan for your life and be happy. Until we meet again, God bless you and God bless me. Remember my name? Chukwubikem. But you can call me Ike, spelled I-K-E. God bless you guys. NCB, cheers.